म्हादय वाचोवपाक इच्छाशक्ती नाशिल्ल्यान आयज बाबत परिस्थितीक गोंयांक वचचें पडटा. म्हादय आतां फकत जन आंदोलनांतल्यान वाचूंक शकता अशें मत म्हादय बचावाची निमंत्रक निर्मला सावंत हिणें व्यक्त केलां. जाल्यार आपणे ह्यान पयलीं 4 वेळा हो विशय राज्यसभेत लावन धरिल्लो अशी म्हायती राज्यसभेचो खासदार लुईज इन्फॉलेरून दिला. हांव परत एकदा PAC बसकेंत म्हादय विशीं विधानसभेत खास सत्र घेवपाचें अशें मागणी करतलो अशी म्हायती विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेम हांवान दिल्या.
आतां पळय जें चल्लां तातूंत वी हॅव फेल्ड. आमकां आतां परत वयर सरपाची गरज आसा विथ न्यू स्ट्रॅटजीज. आनी न्यू स्ट्रॅटजीज आर वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॅटजीज इज द awakening of the people. People are so sleepy and they are in the dreams. They once upon a time they were not aware what is Mhadei. So at least now they know. The Mhadei is a river which is a source of water for their daily use. So there should be meetings, morchas from the public side. And there should be a will in the government. If there is no will, nothing can be done. What I feel that the government is lacking that will. Thirdly, we have to get the scientific base, which we have not done. With that scientific base, we can fight with them. First of all, we cannot divert the source of the water. Damming is one thing and diverting is another thing. What will happen to the people in the Mhadei basin? They will not get the water. Secondly, the flow of the water is westward. You cannot change it to the eastward. This is against the nature. This should not be done. So the one side is the people, public, the second is the government, and third is the scientific solution that we have.
Definitely not only discussion, we had asked there has to be a special session for the Mhadei, so we will ask for it, we will stick to our demand.
I have raised it 4 times in the Rajya Sabha. You go on my videos.